In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store on vacation mode. Now, while Shopify doesn't have a straightforward, one-click vacation mode, there are effective methods you can use to temporarily pause or hide your sales. I'm excited to guide you through these two main strategies you can leverage to simulate a vacation mode for your Shopify store. Let's jump right into the first method, password protection. This is great for short-term breaks or when you want to completely lock down your store. Essentially, you'll be hiding your entire store behind a password, preventing visitors from both browsing and making purchases. To set this up, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Online Store tab, followed by Preferences. Once you're there, scroll down to the Password Protection or Store Access section. What you'll want to do next is enable the option that says Restrict access to visitors with a password. Don't worry, the password you set here is not your admin login password, so make sure to create something new and secure. While you're at it, it's helpful to add a message to notify your visitors about your absence, such as on vacation, reopening on date. This way, your customers know when to expect your return. Once you've entered the necessary details, remember to hit Save. With this feature active, no one without the password can browse or make purchases on your store, providing a comprehensive lockout until you're ready to return. Now, on to the second method, the Pause and Build plan. This option is perfect if you want your store to remain visible to visitors but need to disable all selling features. Your products can still be viewed, but checkout is completely disabled, which means no new sales can occur. To set this up, head over to the Settings section within your Shopify admin, and then click on Plan. Here, you'll find an option to either cancel plan or pause, deactivate store. Go ahead and choose the Pause and Build plan. By confirming the switch to this plan, your store's checkout is turned off, effectively halting any new sales. However, rest assured that you can still access your admin dashboard, make edits to your store, and let people browse your site freely. This is an ideal setup if you're taking a break but still want customers to explore your offerings. Both of these methods offer great flexibility depending on your needs while you're away. Whether you prefer a complete lockdown or a browse-only mode, following these steps will help you smoothly transition your Shopify store into a vacation mode. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful in preparing for a successful and stress-free break from your online store. See you next time.